channel. And Tia, I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do a lot of surprise uploads, so I do mostly wig related content, but I do some makeup things and some sort of just life, talking about real life type stuff too. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. So I wanted to try to recreate an Instagram look that I saw. So this is what I came up with. The only thing I changed is her liner that she used was gold. I don't do gold, so I did silver. I used the red shades from a lot of palettes. So I used the Bad Habit Aphrodite palette, and in here I used the Lust shade. I also used the Love Letter shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I went ahead and used a little bit of this shade. I used the Like It's Hot color from the ColourPop Main Squeeze palette. I used the, I think this is actually the Macabre shade. Yeah, this is the Macabre shade. I moved these around. This is a Lunatic Cosmetic Labs palette, the Elvira palette. I moved the shades around, but this is the shade called Macabre. I used that one. And then I used from the Violet Voss Flamingo palette, which is one of my favorite palettes. I used the Lemonade shade just along the edge to diffuse the color. And then for the liner, I used the NYX, that's the point liner in Super Sketchy. And then I also used ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the color Liberty that I got in the Smoke Show sort of bundle thing. This is a look that I came up with. Let me know if you think it looks